This is a smoky black eyeshadow look. I love this look because it's very shimmery and unique and not like other smoky eyes. Start by using a brown color and a blending brush. Next, I'm going to apply it to my crease and blend it out very well. By doing this, you're going to create a transitioning color for the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply a darker brown color. Basically, just apply it the same way you've applied the lighter brown color in the first step. I recommend not to use too much dark colors because this is going to be a smoky eye for the black color, and I'm going to apply the black color on my lid. Now I'm going to apply some black eyeliner to the lid, just so it's a base for the black eyeshadow. You want to smear as much as black eyeliner as you can onto the lid. Don't go over the crease. Here's a much closer look on how I do it. You do not want to tug or pull on the skin, so I'm just squinting. If your eyeliner isn't that creamy enough to smear it on top of your lid, then you can use a lighter or a candle to warm up the eyeliner. I'm going to be using a shimmery eyeshadow on the lid. Also apply a translucent powder onto the brow bone. I'm also going to be contouring my nose and then apply some liquid eyeliner. Try to create a winged liner. Apply mascara. We'll only be needing one coat of mascara for this look because we're going to be applying false lashes. Pick out your favorite false lashes and apply glue to the strip. I like to apply my eyelashes underneath instead of on top because it makes it look more realistic. Apply a shimmer onto the inner corners. Do your eyebrows, apply some lipstick and some blush or bronzer. And you're all done. Here are your final results. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you ended up liking it, please do give it a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos like this in the near future, please do subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is click the subscribe button. Until my next video, stay safe, take care, goodbye.